Pause with all the turkey prep and everything else that you're doing because the holidays are right around the corner, because I have something very important to say. I want to say thank you. Thank you so much for your continued support of myself and my business. Whether it was us going out looking at homes this year, or us putting your house on the market, or if it was a phone call because we hadn't talked in a while, or you sent a referral. All of those things matter to me, and I appreciate every single one of those things, and I appreciate you. I want you to take this time now to celebrate with your family and your friends and just have a wonderful time, because you know time does fly by. So, again, I want to say thank you so much again for your continued support. And as always, if you ever need anything, please feel free to call me or text me or email me, and I'll see you soon.